Hello, and welcome to SnapCyte. This video shows how to assemble the adapter. Open the shipping box. The adapter will be in a plastic bag and may be disassembled. There will be instructions included in the box and QR code you can scan with your phone that will lead you to an assembly video. If the adapter is fully disassembled, you will find 2 black screws, 2 larger pink screws, and 3 3D printed parts. Take the piece with the SnapCyte sticker and hold it facing your left thumb. Line up the screw holes of the other large piece with the curved edge facing towards you. Take 1 black screw and, depending on the size of your phone, put the screw into one of the 2 corresponding screw holes. If you have a larger phone, use the top hole. If you have a smaller phone, use the bottom hole. Tighten by hand until snug. Take the third L-shaped part, which will hold your phone steady, and lay it across the screw hole on the crossarm with the L-arm facing down. Secure the arm with the screw. This will be adjustable to your phone size later. The pink screws are used to secure the adapter to the eyepiece of the microscope. The diameter of the eyepiece will dictate which of the 2 holes at the top and bottom of the adapter you will use to secure it. Thanks for watching, and please let us know if you have any questions.